DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man, you don't know from me. You see the Dan in the name. I have to say 40 or 39 good in the name. You see me and say, you don't know how you code is, man. Yeah, man, from when you're lab. You don't know a crazy reaction and crazy bangers a drop. And today, me expect no different. You see me? Yeah, man, me expect no different, man. Crazy banger. Cause this was requested. This was requested heavy by the Dan Mafia family. You see me? I say, yeah, man. One bar, big up yourself. Who else requested one now? I believe Jason requested one and also Tassie. So big up on yourself. Dan Mafia member them what are strong. You see me? I say. And today we got Chronic Law and an artist we haven't reacted to in a minute. You see me? I say we do apologize. Yeah, man. AI Millie. Also one of the we are one of the first person react to this artist on YouTube for real. AI Millie and 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 one of them The Therapist. I check it out and so yeah, man, Chronic Law, we react to Chronic Law often on the channel, but it's been a minute since we reacted to AI Millie, and it's crazy to see these two artists link up. It's actually quite interesting. It's an interesting collab. For real, man. I didn't expect the collab here. At least not this soon. But I'm glad it's here. Someone check it out and say dog them I deal with. Now we'll be vibing much longer. Let's get it. Chronic Law, AI Millie, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, The Therapist. Let's get it, gang.
One. One law, one voice, therapeutic.
Right now they on some soldier, some motivational type of shit, isn't it? Meds tune for sure. From the name The Therapist, sound like a Meds tune for sure.
Yo, Mac. Them a fuck all with soldier. Welcome Porsche. Till the war is over. And don't call me an artist tune. See me pump party posters. Rifle in front, me my tick in a holster. Friends I read like logo for Scotia. Them a fuck all my soldier.
I'm liking this one already. Them a fuck all with soldier, brother. Theo. Look, you see me put on a post and I call me an artist dog. We out there with the thing them. You see me like a soldier out here. My friend them red like Scotia Bank logo too. Easy, alright.
We ain't know why we don't. Stuck in the darkness now. Me have a berry time I call it, bro. Me nah no love for me heart it, bro. Can't show them emotion. Can't trust the close one. Survival is important. So me and drive with the matic from Negril go right back to Portland.
Come on. Bro, me brother that roll it. Hey, easy yourself, man. I'm like this different. This meds, the beat, everything. Yeah, man. The song, hey, yeah, man. What
wanna see me pump party posters. Rifle in front, me my tick in a holster. Friends I read like logo for Scotia.
Man said friends, yeah, I read like logo for Scotia. Okay.
Them a fuck all my soldier. We ain't know why we don't. Stuck in the darkness now. Me have a berry time I call it, bro. Me nah no love for me heart it, bro.
Come on, Chronic, go ahead.
Show them emotion. Can't trust the close one. Survival is important. So me and drive with the matic from Negril go right back to Portland. Still wanna know my brother gone. Dog, these clothes to become a flag. A cold world make you grab a warm. We are living life of a soldier with lot of scars.
A cold world make you grab a warm. Don't make that go overhead. Yeah, man, that stress make enough man. I feel you see me. Yeah, make them stress me enough money, but they are split the dog. World cold, let me and say, don't make that go overhead, man. Niggas stress so they gotta be. Hey. Chronic Law meds be on some different level, bro. Hey, come in, my youth, man. Say, yo, you can't show too much emotion. Can't close. You see me? You can't just see close one. Yeah, survival is important. Oh, hey, yo, you can't. No, these days, man, you can't trust it. Unfortunately, you see me? Not everybody still. You see me? You have to know who you can, but yeah. Nowadays, man, you have to be careful of the closest people to you, man, because them can do the most harm, you know, because you don't know who your enemies already, you know. You don't ready for them and prepare for your enemy, them, you know. You don't have your enemy away at times and them thing there. You see me, I say? But I wonder when you trust, you know, you see me, and them, you drop your guard, pan. You see me, and them, I normally want to come out. You see me, I say? Unfortunately, because them can penetrate the defenses. You see me, I say? Yo.
Lose lot of dogs. Long time me dey even chat a proper song. But from TVJ I bring what I want. And if you hear something ring I never clock alarm.
Hey, chronic man say yo. Still I wonder my brother gone. Brother my bad for when TVJs I run what I want. Hey.
Lose lot of dogs. Long time me dey even chat a proper song. But from TVJ I bring what I want. And if you hear something ring I never clock alarm. Them a for call with soldier. Hold composure till the war's over. Too much pain me now want be sober. Too much burden upon my shoulders. I'm getting colder. How me no lose it, me dey even know ya. Them a for call.
Them a for call with soldier. Can't call the dog no artist. Call the man soldier, brother. I'm tear man for you out there and you fight the fight and I make it in a life. You see me and say, you know, give up. You see me? You know, make them, you know, make it then carry your meds go straight. You still do the right thing. You see me? Make yourself honest living and provide for you and your family. You see me? You're a soldier, man. You see me? You keep it going, man. We're strong, man. You see me? Yeah, no give up, no giving in. Come in.
Hold composure till the war's over. Too much pain, me now want be sober. Too much burden upon my shoulder.
Too much pain, me now want be sober. Jesus, come here, cuz.
I'm getting colder. How me no lose it, me dey even know ya. Them a for call me soldier.
Buckley, too much pain, me no even want be sober. Oh, me no lose it, me dey even know ya. Them a for call with soldier. Come here.
Too much burden upon my shoulders. I'm getting colder. How me no lose it, me dey even know ya. Them a for call me soldier.
Them a for call me the therapist. A couple soldier will match with mini sticks. You ever mix up pain with melodies? My friend dead left youth, them a for my kids. When she a fuck my you with Genesis. Well, one for you, they a saw reminisce.
AI Millie, them have to call me the therapist. Yo, AI Millie be venting on his songs though. It might be telling you like, hey, is there two artists where you can't say a therapist like AI Millie and Chronic 𝐂𝐓. They meds beat. Now I see where the collab coming in. Alright.
Enemies, paranoia because craving near could have sober my dog. You know what long me no sleep on my artists. My want live deep for give me artists. Nintendo we a play with the cartridge. My heart gone, me no care with my losses. Karma is a bitch, I'm a black sheep. My work hard, walk it past.
I said karma is a bitch, I'm a black sheep.
With the blend ski. No know about nothing, so we fuck up any luxury. Skate couple current like dog speed. And life is no promise. Travel with the blicky in a St. and Paris. Just a pray one day, so we reason a Paris. Malfunction, car water do damage. The so cold, some
Easy, hey, come in. We gotta take up the AI Millie part again. Like I am Millie deal with the thing there. Come in.
them a for call with the therapist. A couple soldier will match with mini sticks. You ever mix up pain with melodies? My friend dead left youth, them a for my kids.
That's weird. They come in. They ever mix up pain with melodies? That's AI Millie and Chronic 𝐂𝐓 right there, dog. Yo, come on. Them have to call this soldier will travel with many sticks, brother. Come on.
My friend dead left youth, them a for my kids. When she a fuck my you with Genesis. The world one for you, they a saw reminisce. More no views ever gone.
The man say, yo, my dog dead left for me. You know them are for me kids. When she a fuck my you read Genesis. I want the bomb did anybody like? Yo, I want you to, hey. I don't know if you tap me, then get like to no tear in the dog. I don't know if you know no word. I want to go.
She a fuck my you with Genesis. The world one for you, they a saw reminisce. More no views ever vanquish enemies. My paranoia because craving near could have sober my dog. You know what long me no sleep on my artists. My want live deep for give me artists. Nintendo we a play with the cartridge. My heart gone, me no care with my losses.
So me heart gone, me no care, me lost it.
I'm a bitch, I'm a black sheep. Me work hard, walk it past me the Bensky. No know about nothing, so we fuck up in the luxury. Skate couple crown like dog speed.
And say, yo, work hard, yo, walk it past the Bensky. We don't know about nothing, so we fuck up in the luxuries. Yeah. But I said I used to them say mash up. Yeah, go on, yo. Go on here to the work.
Life is no promise. Travel with the blicky in a St. and Paris. Just a pray one day, so we reason a Paris. Malfunction, car water do damage. The soup cold, some feel like porridge. Yo, I tell Bash, she said the carnage.
The soup cold, some feel like porridge, brother. Alright, yo. Yo, make that go over there. Come in.
Polish, cough. We kill people who feel some soft. No funny move on a rifle, my clock. Tell immigration I visa more. Them a fuck call me soldier. Them a fuck call me soldier. All composure when the war is over. Them a fuck call me
all composure till you. Hey, arm to you, man. Call we soldier. Arm to them.
soldier. Walk with
No shit.
Arm to
you, my yo. Nah, make them say we. Nah, make them say we. You see me? Nah, make them say we weak out here. You see me? Not tears. You know, make them say we. You see me? Yeah, man.
with soldier. Them a fuck call with the therapist.
know why we done.
Yeah.
Stuck in the darkness now. Me have a every time I call it,
Bro.
Me no love for me heart it, bro. Can't show.
AI Millie and Chronic Lani. Yeah. Put. Coke in that is, crack in that is. Don't put top. Yeah, man, don't put drugs in that song, man. Don't I therapist, a right song for the two arts.
Road of emotion, can't trust the close one. Survival is important.
Yes.
So me a drive with the matic from the will go right back to Portland.
Stuck in the darkness, bro. Man, I have love got my heart, bro. Life is no promise. Travel with the blick in a St. and Paris. Voila. One voice.
Hey, dog.
Mad. Yo, Mark.
I don't love me heart, it broke. Hey, I'm to the dog. Remember them girl I told you that demons, youth. Yo. You want one bunch of hurt niggas, bro.
Pick him up. We not left Soldier Road.
Yeah, man. No man left behind. Come in, man. Yeah, man. No man left behind, dog. I'm here, man. Yeah, man. Friend can help your brother, man. I help you charge him, man. What you mean, man? Yeah. Run together. You see me? Yeah, man. Gang. I'm nothing about the one there in the comment section. If you like it, if you show the artist them some love and support. They don't say dancing, no, man. Yeah, man. That one there. Mad. Yeah, man. The one there mad. Me rate that one there. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓 and AI Millie. You see me? I say I do them thing. Yeah, man. Survive. Yeah, man. The one there deep, man. You see me? I say, man. Say, yo. But you see me on post, I don't call me the blow artist, in brother. You see me? Yeah, man. Cause we out of the. You see me? Out of the thing them. And plus, you have friends out here that are Scotia Bank. You see me? I say. Yeah, I say, yo, I don't want no blow. I love you know my heart, it broke, you know. Man say you're in charge of drop out. You see me if you left him mute, say man no youth are fame kids. I say, yo, if you yell a hug my region is this tag. Oh, go on. I said, no, mad tune. You see me, I say it's a vibe, therapist, 𝐑𝐂𝐓, AI Millie, DJ Mac. Me damn near want to play it again, brother. Yeah, man, me damn near want to play it again, it bad dog. Man say, yo, you have to call with this soldier with many sticks. You see me, I say, hey, come on, you ever mix pain with melodies? I'm see how they have to call with the therapist. Man, I tell you what I go on, man. I be a pit, man, and tell you pain in a song, man. Yeah, man, rate it, man, big tune. Yeah, man, 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓, AI Millie. Yeah, man, the therapist gang. I don't think about the one there. If you like it, this is going to show the artist and love and support, make you know what's the dance, you know. You see me, I say? Also, drop your request. Let me know. You get your shout out. Let me know what your favorite part. It was beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Let's get a dialogue going, gang. You see me, I say? Yeah, man, we're there. More bangers coming. You see me? More bangers and reactions are going to drop on the head top. You see me, I say? So yeah, drop a request. We're there. It's a vibe on the road to 10K. Like and subscribe on it. You don't know, gang. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me.
I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.